Hey everybody, congratulations on your newly stoked device. So you've got either a TestDrop or a TestDrop Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your device. It's the same testing method for both the TestDrop and the TestDrop Pro. Now when you get your device and take it out of the package, the best way to test it is to get a fresh, unopened bottle of mineral water. Then you're going to take a clean plastic disposable cup like the one I have here and fill it a little more than halfway up the height of the cup. The process for testing is as follows. You're going to swirl the water in the cup for 5 seconds, then you're going to set it down on a hard, flat surface. You're going to hold your TestDrop or TestDrop Pro a few inches away from the cup and position it so that it's in line with just above the water line. You're going to press and hold the middle button and you'll see a yellow blinking light. Continue to hold that button and bring the device to the cup in one swift motion, touch the cup, wait one extra yellow blink, and then release the button, at which point you'll see either a red light or a blue light indicating your result. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. Make sure that your device and the cup and your hand are all dry. We don't want anything interfering. So you swirl the water for about 5 seconds, set it down on a hard flat surface, position the device a few inches away, press and hold the button in one yellow light, release the button, and I got a blue light which indicates that we have not detected any contaminants in this water. Now I'm going to show you what it's like when you do detect a contaminant. So we're going to take some of this dish soap. Everybody has it in their home and there's tons of chemicals in this. Pour a little bit in, just a drop. Now I'm going to swirl the cup for about 5 seconds. Set it down on a hard flat surface. Hold the device a few inches away. Press and hold the middle button in, release. We got a red light, which indicates that we've detected contaminants in this water, and you obviously would not want to drink it. Thanks for watching, and please visit our website for more videos and more information.